All right, and then here is to answer a question I got. Here is some help on challenge slide number 7. Again, sometimes it's a good idea to just drop the marble. Whoa, so it actually comes here, and we need to somehow collect all of these. So one option is we pick a direction for the marbles to go, and we maybe create a horizontal line. We make them fall, come over and kind of hit something and kind of bank them over. Another option would be maybe creating some sort of splitter or fork in a horizontal line, which causes half the marbles to go to one side and to the other. I'm going to start with maybe the technique of just sending them to the left and then trying to send them to the right. So we're going to start with a line, which is y equals 1, x plus 1. And we'll see what we think of that. Cool. Next, we're going to stop this line at some spot and create a horizontal line. In fact, let's maybe start with our horizontal line at y equals 3. 3.5, 3.6. Okay, I think that might be at the right height to collect all of them. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to create a vertical boundary line here, which will be at, let's say, x equals 1, which is a vertical line. See how we're doing here? All right. And what we need to do next is we need to create a hole here, maybe at 4, in our original line to allow the marbles to kind of pass through. This time it's going to be that x is greater than 4, so that graphs the right half. If we're not sure which way to face it, we can try either one until we get the effect that we need. And we'll launch it. Just barely, we got it. And if it was going too slow, we could also alter the steepness of this to make it collect them a bit faster. In fact, just to see what happens, let's see what happens if we make this. Right? Seemed like a good idea at the time. I don't know that it really ultimately changed the outcome much, but you can see, I guess one good result of this is that this and the other option provided essentially the same outcome. We can get back to what we had. Cool, there it is. All right, so there was an answer or an option for challenge slide 7. And in the previous video, I posted some guidance on challenge slides 3 and 4.